Studies show that Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamin K, which helps protect against bone loss, high in fiber, supports digestive system, and helps reduce inflammation. Let's see how to make this yummy roasted Brussels sprouts. Some people like Brussels sprouts and some don't, but today I am going to show you how to make this delicious garlic cumin Brussels sprouts, and it's very easy, very quick. All you need is garlic, Brussels sprout, and some cumin powder, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. Wash the Brussels sprouts really well, pat it dry, and spread it evenly on a baking tray, making sure they're not on top of each other. To this, I'm adding 8 to 10 cloves of chopped garlic. I love garlic, so I'm going to use all of them. Now drizzle in that olive oil evenly. You may choose to use coconut oil if you like. Here comes the cumin powder. I'm using 1 full teaspoon of cumin powder. This will give that additional kick. I'm adding pink Himalayan rock salt. This will enhance the bland taste of the original Brussels sprout. Now add in the fresh crushed black pepper. That's it, and you're good to go. Next comes the fun part. Are you ready? Yes. Mix all the ingredients really well. Don't be shy to spread some love and spread some joy. So the tip is to massage the Brussels sprouts really well with olive oil, salt, black pepper, and cumin powder. All I'm going to do is pop it in the oven for 400 degrees. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I'm going to take it out. And if needed, I'm going to bake it for another 10 minutes. Right, let's set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay, all done. There. Just took it out from the oven, been 20 minutes. The color has changed. It's starting to brown. I can smell the cumin, garlic. So fresh. I'm just going to pop it for 10 more minutes or 5 more minutes. Let's come back after that. That looks yummy. So I'm going to quickly plate it. Add a dash of red chili flakes. Perfect. It's quick, healthy, nutritious, and baked garlic cumin Brussels sprout. You should try it, and don't forget to leave a comment and let me know once you try it. See you all in my next video. Don't forget to shine with Shobs.